I always love to try new and interesting makeup products, so when I saw this palette by Nioricorn, I knew I wanted to try it. This palette has really interesting and unique colors in it, colors that you don't typically find in most eyeshadow palettes, and each of these has a glitter or sparkle effect to it. So when I saw these colors, I knew I had to give it a try. Before we get to the makeup portion, I thought we'd take a look at all the colors and see what they look like on the skin. Starting with the shade in the corner, it's kind of got like a lavender purple shade, but it also has gold sparkles in it. This one is like a light lavender purple, but it also sort of has a silvery sheen to it. So I think that's really, really pretty. Next, the one underneath is white sparkles with sort of a purple speckling. Really bright white with kind of like a purple sheen in the light. Next we have this pinky peach color and it has gold sparkles throughout. Very pretty pink. Next is this blue shade, and this one also looks like it has blue and purple sparkles. These are all like really smoothly applied as well. There's the blue. Really silky texture to these eyeshadows. This one's also sort of a lavender purple, but this one has blue sparkles in it when this one had more gold. Next, I'm excited about this one. This one's a really pretty gold. Ooh, that's so pretty. Look at that. Next is this beautiful foresty green. Wow, that's a vibrant green. It's so pretty. This one kind of looks gray, almost kind of like a gray purple with blue in it. So it's like a dark silvery gray. Then this really pretty light blue. Kind of has a silvery effect, kind of like a light bluish silver. This next shade I'm really excited to try. I saw this one and I wanted to try it immediately. So this one's like a yellow gold with the red speckles in it. Ooh, that's pretty. It's yellow, but it kind of has a red tint. If you see kind of color shifts, it's so pretty. Next we have a darker blue. I'm also really excited for this orange shade. I don't really have a sparkly orange in my collection, so this one's going to be interesting. Ooh, that's pretty. Now we have the dark purple. Then this darker green. Then this silver kind of has multicolor sparkles in it. And finally, this darker pink. Each of these are so pretty, so vibrant. They went on really easily. So now I thought I'd make an eye look with these just to give it a try. I really liked the greens, orange, and gold, so I think those are the colors we're going to use today. I'm going to start with this green shade. I'm going to put this in the crease area. Then we're going to use this gold shade above, just kind of highlight this area up here. Then I really want to use this orange, so we're going to take a little bit of that. Then I'm going to use this gold and red one, the one that color shifts to red. I'm gonna put a little of the green down here and then a little bit of the gold. These colors blend together so easily, and like the color shift, the sparkles, it's just so pretty. This kind of makes me feel like a fairy princess. It's just so sparkly and like woodland fairy colors. It's just so pretty. So here's the completed look. I think this is such a beautiful and unique eyeshadow palette. I really love all of the colors and how they all have a color shift and sparkle to them. So I definitely recommend this palette to anyone who loves sparkly, unique eyeshadow shades. I thought these were all really beautiful and think they could create really unique makeup looks. I will leave a link down below if you'd like to check it out for yourself.